Hello, friends. Welcome. Today, we have a fun and easy English quiz for you. Can you answer all 50 questions correctly? Can you learn new words, grammar, and common English phrases? Improve your English in a fun way. How to play. 1. You will see a question with 4 answer choices. 2. Think fast and choose the correct answer. 3. Count your correct answers and share your score in the comments. 1. This quiz is great for beginners and anyone who wants to practice English speaking, vocabulary, and grammar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. Let's start the quiz. What is the opposite of open? Answer: close or shut. Which one is correct? Answer: he goes to school. What is the plural of tooth? Answer: teeth. If you are feeling very happy, you are. Answer: excited. Which word means the same as big? Answer: large. Which sentence is correct? Answer: I can speak English. What comes after Tuesday? Answer: Wednesday. What is the opposite of fast? Answer: slow. What is the past tense of eat? Answer: ate. What do you say when you meet someone for the first time? Answer: nice to meet you. What is the past tense of write? Answer: wrote. Which animal says meow? Answer: cat. What is the opposite of happy? Answer: sad. If you are thirsty, what do you need? Answer: water. What is the color of the sky on a sunny day? Answer, blue. Which word is a verb? Answer, eat. What do you do with a book? Answer, read it. What is the opposite of morning? Answer, night. What is the plural of child? Answer, children. How many months are there in a year? Answer, 12. What do you wear on your feet? Answer, shoes. What is the opposite of hot? Answer, cold. What do you use to call someone? Answer, a phone. What is the past tense of go? Answer, went. Which of these is a fruit? Answer, mango. What do you do before sleeping? Answer, brush your teeth. What is the opposite of tall? Answer, short. What is the plural of mouse? Answer, mice. If you are feeling sleepy, what should you do? Answer, sleep. What is the opposite of left? Answer, right. Which sentence is correct? Answer, she sings well. What is the past tense of see? Answer, saw. What do you say when you make a mistake? Answer, sorry. What do you wear on your head? Answer, a hat. Question 35. What is the opposite of soft? Answer: hard. Question 36. How many fingers do you have? Answer: 10. Question 37. What is the past tense of run? Answer: ran. Question 38. What do you need to write? Answer: a pencil. Question 40. What do you call a baby dog? Answer: puppy. Question 41. What is the opposite of new? Answer: old. Question 42. Which word is a color? Answer: yellow. Question 43. How many legs does a spider have? Answer: 8. Question 44. What is the opposite of rich? Answer: poor. Question 45. What do you do with a clock? Answer: watch it. Question 46. Which is a polite phrase? Answer: pass me that, please. Question 47. What do you drink in the morning? Answer: coffee. Question 48. What is the past tense of sleep? Answer: slept. Question 49. What do you call a group of fish? Answer: a school. Question 50. What do you say when someone helps you? Answer: thank you.